Good morning everyone, welcome to a new vlog. My name is Wissal and my videos is all about house renovation. I've been already in the house renovation a few months, and the last few weeks we've done actually nothing because nearly nothing was in stock. It was hard to get materials. I've been waiting for over 4 months for example, the pellet burner. The kitchen still did not arrive after 4 months. So it's all about waiting and waiting. But today I'm so excited, as usually, and positive of course. This thing behind me, this ugly thing, is gonna go away. I'm waiting for the workers. I've been since 6 o'clock up. I emptied the living room because it's gonna be quite dusty over here. And this is the wood burner. It's gonna go away. We have chosen to get rid of the wood and to go for the pellet burner, but that's because the chimney is not long enough above the roof for a wood burner. I know it sounds crazy because we got already a wood burner here, but figure out that this type of burner is not allowed anymore. An open burner, it have to be closed. According to the woman who sells the pellet burner, she sells as well log burners, so it's not like because she's trying to sell her pellet. Very excited. The only thing is that a few months ago the pellets were €4 for 15 kilo, and I think at the minute they are around €8 or €9. So that's the only thing that I have regret, that I didn't bought that earlier. Yeah, hopefully that price come down. This old wood over here, I'm gonna try to sell that. I've got downstairs more in the basement. The guy's been gone for a little lunch, so I've got time to record in this living room. And wow, what a work is involved with this removal. So far this is in progress. Yeah, as you can see, it's massive, a lot of work. I'm surprised how black that is. So the first day is finished. They started at 9 o'clock and finished at 4 o'clock. I'm very impressed how much they can do in a working day. Yeah, the living room looks so much bigger. Over there in that corner, it's gonna be the pellet stove. I asked the guys if they can install a new socket. That's because the cable of the pellet stove, I would like to have it hidden behind the stove instead of like having a cable running here into this socket. And this is the opening. They filled the tunnel. And that's wet cement. And they closed this wall. That's a hole. I think that's to get the air out. I'm not sure, could ask her later. And they closed a wall. It's 7 o'clock, the guys just left, but guys, honestly, I'm very impressed. And look at that floor, how straight that is. I asked the guy what this is for, and he said it's for the air inlet. The ceiling is closed off by a panel. It's been a long day, and hopefully tomorrow a successful day as this one. It's day number 3 of the fireplace renovation, and it was again a short night for me. I opened very early the doors over here and over there, so to get more air in, because this have to be dried. I don't think in the next few hours it's gonna be dry complete, but it does help.